Hey everyone, welcome to day 2 of our 8-night cruise on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. Today is a sea day. It's going to be a fantastic day. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on this week's adventure. Now, we've already been out and about.
Yes, we actually took our time this morning and had a slow morning. We slept in a bit and went for the breakfast in the main dining room. Mm-hmm. The main dining room is called the Sapphire, and it's absolutely beautiful on the ship.
Yeah, I believe that was on this morning from 8 a.m. to 9:30. Yes. So we went right around 9 o'clock and it was wonderful.
We were able to get a seat by the window and we had amazing service and the food was good.
It's a beautiful dining room. It's a 3-story dining room with the big chandelier. I really like that kind of classic look. But breakfast. We had breakfast kind of appies.
we had some raspberry danishes with some coffee and some orange juice.
Yeah, and then we had the parfait, which had either strawberry, which is what you had. I had blueberry, and then yogurt, as well as kind of a granola topping on it. Those were good.
You could get it in a plain yogurt as well.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah.
So that was kind of our appy. And then for the main dish, what did you have?
I had an eggs Benedict, and it was done perfectly. The yolk was runny. There was some ham, and then I was happy about this. It came with a hash brown, but it's the hash brown patty, which I really love.
Rather than the individual?
Well, no, rather than like
chopped up,
diced up potatoes. I like the deep fried hash brown.
Yeah, it was good. So orange juice, did we mention that?
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Okay,
and
coffee.
Yeah.
But I had the omelet. So it's a custom-made omelet. There's quite a few toppings you could have. There was ham, mushrooms, I don't know, peppers, all that kind of stuff, cheese. It was good. And I had that with sausage, bacon, and a slice of toast with jam. So it was good. Yeah.
I would say though, if you're in a hurry, the omelet does take a little longer to get. It's a little slower.
Yeah.
But I mean, we have no rush this morning, so we enjoyed our time sitting and looking out at the ocean.
So it's our sea day. We're gonna go do some stuff here on the ship. It's gonna be a fantastic day. What happened here?
Okay, I'm feeling a little guilty, but I am so relaxed right now. I have my coffee, I'm watching some TV, I can hear the waves, I can see them, and I'm just really cozy. Really cozy.
So we're just hanging out here, and I actually see a cruise ship going by in the distance off there too. Way off in the distance.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. You shouldn't feel guilty on a holiday.
No, but this is relaxing. We're gonna head to the napkin folding demonstration and learn how to fold some napkins and see what kind of interesting things we can create with a napkin.
It'll be fun. After that, there's also a belly flop competition.
You're gonna enter, right?
No, there's no way in the world I would enter the belly flop competition. Let's go fold napkins instead.
All right, everybody have their napkins. Wave them in the air like you just don't care so we can see that everybody has their napkins. All right, and make sure it goes all the way to the top.
So you should have a little bit of a triangle left over after you fold it 2 more times.
Mine was not so good.
Yes, a rose. It's a little baby Yoda.
Everybody say I said go on, what do you want? You leaving in a plane, but we came in a car. And you're flying.
Ping pong? There's plenty happening around the ship this afternoon. The rock climbing wall is opening shortly. If you're into that, it is complimentary to climb. We've got these sports courts that are open. Go play some basketball. The water slides are open. The flow riders up and running. So lots to do if you're into that sort of stuff. Or head out to the pool, listen to some music, maybe sit in the hot tub and enjoy the sunny weather.
Down on the Royal Promenade, all the shops are open. Inside the fashion boutique, you'll find a variety of accessories, including purses, bags, hats, beachwear, and jewelry. Over at the perfume and cosmetics store, you'll find a large variety of fragrance and cosmetics, including Chanel, Dior, Clinique, and more.
You'll also find the Royal Caribbean logo wear store. This is a great spot to grab those souvenirs. They've got the Adventure of the Seas models for $54.95 and all sorts of Royal Caribbean gear, including coffee mugs and hats for both the Adventure of the Seas and Royal Caribbean. T-shirts, 2 for $40 or 3 for $50. And they also had a fairly large toy section for the kids. They had stuffies, they had Lego, puzzles, models, that sort of thing. A really nice large logo wear store on this ship. We've also got the general store. So in here they do sell alcohol as well as tobacco, but if you need some snacks, you can get your Pringles and candy in here, as well as any toiletries you may have forgotten, Tylenol, Advil, they had sunscreen, shampoo, toothpaste, etc. Back in our room, and we've got a cute little bird or duck right here, tiny, and it's gotten warmer outside. How was your lunch?
It was good.
Yeah.
And a nice salad and some chicken, and chicken strips were good too.
We went to the Windjammer and made a salad and had some chicken.
And maybe dessert.
And maybe dessert. It was good. We just got back from a fantastic ice skating show in Studio B, which is the ice skating rink here on the Adventure of the Seas.
It was called Ice Spectacular, Cool Art, Hot Ice. It was great. This is the third time that we've seen an ice skating show on a Royal Caribbean ship, and we've enjoyed all of them.
The ice skating shows, to be honest, are some of my favorite shows I've seen on any cruise ship. And if it's on yours, highly recommend you go see it. There's 2 of them today. The first one was around 1 o'clock, and then this one was at 3:15.
That's right.
So they're doing it multiple times throughout the cruise, and if you're on, definitely check it out.
Now watch for it.
Yeah.
It's great. They do a lot of costume changes. There's a lot of different songs. They dance to the beat.
Yeah.
Do you call it dancing when you're on ice?
Well, they did do dancing.
Yeah.
The one guy was skating with kind of a fake person, which was really cool.
A puppet?
A puppet. And but then, of course, they skate together and individually doing, I don't know what they're called, axles and spins and lifting people over their heads and jumps. It was really, really good.
It made me nervous, though. I'll tell you, it made me nervous when they're spinning the girl around and her face is down by the ice. I would not let you spin me around skates.
They did even interact with the audience, high fives and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
So yeah,
it's really good.
If it's on your ship, definitely check it out. Worthwhile for sure. And then tonight,
formal night.
Yeah, it's formal night. So we have our dinner set for 6:30 tonight at the same table as last night. So we're excited about that. Did you peek at the menu?
Just a tiny bit, but I don't remember.
Sure.
You were peeking.
I was peeking. That's why I usually don't peek, and you do the peeking.
And for some reason, I couldn't get it to load on my phone, but you did. So I kind of saw it, but.
So we're excited about that. It's gonna be a great night, and there's some shows and things tonight as well. So we will let you know what we had. Time for dinner. I'm trying to get some photos out here on the promenade, but
it's a little windy.
It's a little windy, yeah. If you head to the aft of the ship, there's a nice sheltered area here that's not too windy. It's a great spot for grabbing those selfies with the aft view, and it's not too far from the main dining room. Well, we are back from a fantastic evening. We just came out of the show. We had dinner before that. It was a wonderful night.
I really love formal night and dressing up. I think it just feels like when you cruise, it's like every night is date night. And I really enjoy going for a nice dinner and a nice show. So it's really a perfect evening.
So we were in the Sapphire Main restaurant again, or main dining room at the aft of the ship. Beautiful 3-story in our usual spot, one over from the window. But awesome dishes tonight.
There were some good
really
choices.
Good. Yeah. Should we start out with Applebee's? We'll start out with appies. I had 2 of them actually.
Yeah.
I had the iceberg wedge salad, so it's kind of a wedge of iceberg lettuce with bacon, chives, and blue cheese dressing.
It was pretty big too.
Decently big,
Yeah.
and a lot of flavor with the blue cheese dressing.
Okay.
So I enjoy that when I see it. I usually order that. So
No, I went with the calamari. I enjoyed that. It was good. The sauce was pretty tangy that it came with.
it was. I had the same thing. I also had that. Not the biggest dish of calamari. So if you're really hungry, maybe order a salad or something like I did. But it was quite flavorful, and like you said, it was kind of tangy.
It was good.
It was good. It came with some peppers, I think. and
Yes,
stuff
on the side.
on the side. So there was a lot of other appy options there tonight as well. Then the main course, we both had the same thing.
We did. We both had the beef tenderloin, roast beef tenderloin. It was
Roast beef tenderloin.
very good. Mine was extremely tender.
Mine was as well.
Like,
And
I actually could cut mine with a fork.
yeah, you cut it with the fork?
I did. I
Oh,
just
okay.
took my
I
edge of
used
my
the knife, but
Well, I did, and at one point I just took the edge of my fork,
yeah.
and it was super good.
It came with mashed potatoes and asparagus.
Yes.
Again, if you're hungry, it was quite a small dish.
Yeah. For me,
So-
it was plenty.
It,
but
it was
yeah.
it was good. I did have a set of fries as well with that. So, but I was stuffed after a meal. Like there was a lot of
Yeah,
food. So,
yeah.
but if you're looking for a massive dish, it wasn't on the.
No,
big
it
side.
wasn't. Yeah.
So, and then one of our favorites for dessert.
Creme brulee.
Yes. Yeah. So
Did it pass the test? Did it have the nice sugar coating on
it
top?
did have the sugar coating on top. It was quite sweet. It was good. It definitely needed the coffee to go with it because
And pretty generous size.
yeah.
I actually only ate half of mine.
Mm-hmm.
It was really good, but you just realize you've had enough sugar sweetness, so
yeah.
I reached that by halfway.
So it has that kind of vanilla custard in it, and then the hardened sugar on top, which is always
it's
fun
really
to
nice.
break. Yeah.
Yeah.
So dinner was wonderful. Our service was great, and we had some great conversation with the people next to us. Now from there, we probably had an hour and a half of time.
So we actually started planning out for tomorrow, thinking about, because tomorrow we're in Labadee, and so I was thinking about like what we need to do to get ready for tomorrow. So we used that time to kind of prepare.
Yeah. So we have excursion tickets for tomorrow. We're gonna ride the little, I don't want to call it a roller coaster. It's a kind of a cart on a roller coaster kind of track that goes down the hill. So that's what we're doing tomorrow in Labadee. We'll do other stuff as well, but we have tickets for that. We have to be meeting, I think, at 8:15 in the morning.
Yes.
So
I don't know what I was thinking when I booked
that
so early.
we wanted to get the most out of our day, I think. So
That's true.
so we're gonna order room service in the morning.
And you know what? This isn't something that we normally do.
No.
Because we actually enjoy going for breakfast, even if it's going to the buffet or main dining room. So, but because of time, we're going to take advantage of it and have it delivered early to our cabin in the morning, just freeing up some time.
Yeah.
And so we'll see how that goes because we've never done that for breakfast.
No. Ironic. That's weird that we've never ordered room service for breakfast.
Years
but-
ago, we did room service, like ordered like snacks to the cabin, but never for breakfast.
No. So
This is a first.
there is some basic breakfast options that are complimentary, and then if it says American breakfast, if you want that, like eggs and bacon, that sort of thing, you do have to pay a service
It's
fee
a
for.
$7.95 per room.
But
so
the basics, like toast and bagels and
Coffee.
yogurt, coffee, that's all complimentary.
the
so-
continental part is free.
Yeah.
So
So we're doing that in the morning.
yeah.
And then, so that's going to be awesome. But let's rewind back to the evening. So we got that all started. We have to put this on the door by 3 a.m.
Yes.
And then at 9 o'clock, was it at 7 and 9, the show tonight?
I believe so.
In the Lyric Theater was a comedy magician. It was really good.
It was good.
Yeah, his name, I have it written down here, Chad Chessmark. And he has a show in Vegas, and
It was good.
it was good.
The kids were really laughing.
Yeah, so it's a lot of jokes as he's doing his magic, and then the magic doesn't work, but then it works. Like it's kind of one of those. It's a comedy magician. Like it's really good. It was about 45 minutes long, and he did a good job.
He stumped me, but that's not hard to do.
So, yeah, so a fantastic sea day here. Tomorrow, though, we are in Labadee, as we mentioned. We haven't been there before.
No, so we're excited to explore the Labadee area and walk around and see what's there and check out the beach.
It's gonna be a great day tomorrow.
be.
So again, if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna head to bed. We have to get up bright and early and head out for our little roller coaster trek tomorrow morning. So we'll leave it there. Good night, everyone, and we will see you tomorrow for day 3 on the adventure of the seas. Good night.